How many PlayStations have you bought?
I bought a lot of them, and Xboxes, and GameCubes, and Wii's, all types.
Because you mentioned that with a passion.
Man, look, it's something that we all done went through. We all just don't speak on it.
We
all done dated women with kids, and we all done got the short end of the stick. It's just we all deal with it in different ways. Some of us speak out on it, some of us don't. They always get the bigger end of the stick.
Some of the stuff that you said, I feel like you're talking out of hurt. It's just me.
I'm talking out of hurt. You see that these men ain't disagreeing.
That's what I think.
Then why don't one man disagree with?
Because you're the only person talking, really.
Do any man disagree with what I have said so far? Speak now. If you do, it's fine.
Hey, don't put me in this.
No, I'm for real. I said any man.
I'm staying out the way.
Hey, I'm staying out of this one. I'm staying out of this one.
I'm staying out the way on that. So yeah, some of it is legit.
If I'm honest,
I'm ready for this.
I'm with him, but I'm not with him. Let me tell you why I'm with him. Some of the things that he's saying make sense, but I think that when you get with the right woman, you guys communicate, then everything can go the way he's saying.
Love it.
So like I think he's referring to a submissive woman. And I think that you have to communicate with the woman on a certain level to find out if she is submissive. And then he'll get everything he's talking about. I'm dealing with submissive women. He's just dealing with, I don't know. I'm dealing with women that's manipulative. Like women nowadays, they only want to be submissive when it fits them. They'll be submissive when we're going on trips and when I'm paying the rent. Whenever their car break down, I'm getting it fixed. And whenever everything else is going good. When I tell you don't go to the club, it's a problem. You submissive whenever you want to be. But whenever I tell you to do something you don't want to do, now you're no longer submissive. That's not going for me. It's not going for me. I can't lie to you. He got some truth in there.
That's true. That's true.
I'm going to keep it a buck. But what I'm noticing that more so in the generation that came before me, the 30 and down. The ones that's around my age and up, they're a little better. But them young ones, they've been having the little issues, They do all of it, and then no offense, baby, but it's too much of the snapbacks of the hands and all that extra. But like you said, when you're doing for them, everything good. But
too much talking back.
I might be with you on this a little bit.
They're not letting us lead.
Yeah,
we need to be able to lead. But how can I lead a woman who every time I say something, she got something to say back? So you get in a relationship with a man who you feel like gonna do better by you and get you in a better place in life, but you don't want to listen to him. Why are you with him then?
I can't listen to a man or be led by a man that's gonna lead me into darkness. If I see off rip that you finna lead me into some BS, let me take the reins. I'm gonna have to take the reins to be masculine. Don't no woman wants to be masculine.
Well, pick better men to date.
Listen, no women wants to be masculine. We all desire to be in our feminine.
How many times have we heard this? Anytime a guy disagrees, give any type of pushback, especially when it comes to single mothers, he's speaking out of hurt. He's speaking because somebody didn't hurt him, or he didn't love his mom didn't love him. Why is it always that instead of just looking at it, maybe he's speaking facts. And like this gentleman was saying, if I'm wrong, if any guy disagrees with me, let him speak. And before they really allow him to get stuff off his chest, they automatically start to interrupt. Anytime people are feeling triggered, the very first thing they want to do is they want to interrupt, overtalk, try to shame you, guilt trip you, or something like that. It never freaking fails. And it's the same tactic. No matter what she looks like, skinny, tall, fat, short, it does not matter. What race now? Oftentimes, how often have we heard these exact points? Here's the next issue that I have, right? And it's with the guys that were on the panel. Weak, pathetic men. This is the reason why it's taking so long to push this thing forward. This is the reason why we are having a hold up with all of the stuff that's going on. Because honestly, if we had assertive, dominant males that did not mind just speaking up, you don't even have to be aggressive, fam. He's saying, if anybody disagrees with me, please speak now. Man, I ain't got nothing to do with that. Man, come on, bro. Come on. Like, what are we doing? Like, am I lying? If I'm telling the truth, then all you got to do, hey, listen, everything that this man has said, I have experienced it. If you haven't, then just keep quiet, bro. Like, man, I ain't got nothing to do with it. Come on, man. I need for men out there to get a doggone backbone, man. Grow some balls. Good grief. Grow some balls. Because y'all are not helping. Y'all are hurting the situation. And I know he said, you know, in the beginning, you know, there's some guys that just choose not to speak up about it. Yo, if there's a problem, if there's an issue, then address it. Now, I'm not saying that, you know, you got to do the most when you're addressing it, but yo, this is a safe space. Go ahead and get it up off your chest, fam. Speak now or forever hold your peace. Like, speak now. And then you have Captain Save-A-Ho that comes on the panel or whatever. I agree, but I don't agree. Here's why I don't agree. Like, come on, man. Come on. If somebody out there that this brother probably found attractive or whatever, it's too many guys out there simping for box. It is way too many men out here simping for box. Bro, just be honest. Most of them ain't even gonna be willing to sleep with your butt any doggone way. So it'll be a lot better if you just keep it a band with them. And I promise you, listen, the dudes that are a lot more masculine, a lot more assertive, and the dudes that don't mind being honest, I promise you, they're gonna be willing to go with that guy more often than the dudes that be sitting out here being simp and beta males. Women can sense it, man. They smell it from a mile away. It's like a very, very strong cologne. Never fails, man. I've seen so many guys out there that thought that sipping was the way, and guess what? The dude that didn't mind being a dick, a douchebag, or whatever you call them, they always go with those type of guys. Trust me. And then this is what happens, right? Once those beta, those simp males start to see that women are actually getting on board finally with those alpha, it's like they give in eventually. It's gonna be a little pushback initially or whatnot because they're trying to get a sense for what type of man am I dealing with right now, right? And if you got decent talking points and you're willing to stand on business regardless, and they see that you're not gonna simp out for them, I promise you they coming. And the issue is, as soon as those beta males start to see that, then they'll be willing to get on board. Oh yeah, no, I'm rocking with them. No. You stay over there, fam. I don't need no help from the peanut gallery now. I got this. When I was looking for a little bit of help, a little bit of assistance, you were nowhere to be found. So you stay your butt over there. Then we had the young lady at the end. This is my last talking point, and we're gonna get up out of here. The young lady that was talking about, you know, I'm not about to be with no man that's gonna lead, you know, that's gonna be lead me into darkness. Like, you know, I know from the jump. If you know from the jump, then why are you there? All right, you got the women's intuition, all the rest of these other things. Like, you already know what's up. So why in the world are you giving your time and your attention to that man then? If you already know what it is, come on, man. It's so crazy. Again, people be so quick to interrupt, have so much to say, and be so freaking wrong. But I want to hear from y'all, man. Y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments? Y'all drop it down in the comments below, man. Let me know. All right, until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.